Hello, in front of me I've got Doogee S98. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's go to Google Pay app. Tap blue button at the bottom of the screen and focus on loyalty card, gift card and transit. First let's enter loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Tap save and it's done. Now let's go back and let's select gift card. Similar to loyalty card, select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. And the last card you can add is public transport. Firstly enter transit, find your public transport, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.